Alright, back with the Google tutorial. So now we're going to go and learn how to insert a calendar. Now, earlier we added a page and I called it calendar for this very reason. So we're going to go over here to our page where we can edit our page. We're going to go to calendar. It's going to give us this page back. We're going to go up here to insert. Again, this same little control menu on the right side. Looks like we do just about everything from there. So we're going to go to insert. Notice you can do a text box, image, and upload. You can embed things. You can do things from your drive. You can embed YouTube, which is so awesome. Again, Google's knocking this stuff out of the park here with this um, collaboration and connection between apps. But you notice how you got a YouTube calendar app, you got docs, and all the different forms. So we're going to go to calendar. I'm logged into my FHSU account. So I could do my calendar or deadlines that I've had for a while. This is from an old class here. I've got contacts, holidays in Korea, holidays in the United States. Let's just do holidays in Korea. Notice you're going to select one thing because you can select multiple calendars. I just want the one. Go over here to insert at the bottom. It says one item selected. Insert. And it's going to populate that pretty quickly. Now, if I want to make that bigger, just click and drag the bubble. And it's going to make it bigger for me. If I want to make it bigger this way as well, I can do that. That's on the agenda set. We can go to, looks like we may have to go to settings. This is new for me. Show title, show date, time zone, all these things. In the view modes, the agenda, I'm going to go to the month. I'm going to go to done. This is what you would probably look at when you're doing yours. Winter Olympics are going to start. Winter Olympics are going to end. The independence movement in Korea, pretty important day, but this day right here is very important to them. So that's how you do that. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Again, I really like Google Sites. I think it's really simple. So there you go.